Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Passkey on PayPal. A Passkey is a secure password-free way to log in using your device like fingerprint, Face ID or the device pin instead of typing your PayPal password. It's a faster and more secure and PayPal supports Passkeys on a compatible devices and the browser. So first open any of the browser that you prefer and in the top there's an address bar, type some paypal.com and enter it. And make sure to log into your account with your email ID or password as well. And once you get into this PayPal official interface, what you can do is on the top, you can find to this setting icon in the top right corner, click onto the setting icon and it will open to this setting interface. On the top again, we can find to the security, click onto the security. Under the security, you need to select to this passkey over here, select to this manage. And over here, what you can do is select to this add passkey and select create. Under this, you can also select your pin option. You can either choose your letters or the numbers as well as I'm going to go to this numbers and create my passkey and select confirm. And that is it. This is how you can add passkey on PayPal. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.